In this video, I will show you how to increase your transaction limit in your WeChat wallet or WeChat Pay. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on WinSim Pay. Then go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top corner. Go ahead and click on Customer Service Center. Go ahead and click on Consumer Protection. Click on Privacy Protection. Click on Security Protection. Go ahead and click on Digital Certificate. Enable digital certificate on your device. Make payments from your device and even more secure. Then raise your daily limit for payment right here. For that, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on Enable right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your passport number right here. I'm going to go ahead and enter the passport number right here. After enter the passport number, click on OK. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Verify. Just like so, you have successfully enabled increase in daily limit transaction on your WeChat wallet. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.